Hi, I'm Tien Tzuo, the CEO and founder of Zuora, and I will be speaking at the Professional Pricing Society's Fall Virtual Conference on October 23rd. Now, we all know that we now live in a subscription economy where access to services is actually more important than owning physical products. But in this new world, we're only starting to discover the importance and power of subscription pricing and how it really requires an entirely new approach. For example, did you know that companies that utilize usage-based pricing, otherwise known as consumption pricing, actually grow 30% faster than those who do not? And did you know that the fastest growing companies are the ones that are constantly coming up with new pricing ideas, 2, 3, or even 6 times a year? In my session, you can expect to better understand why it's so important to have a flexible pricing and packaging strategy, one that enables constant iteration and experimentation, rapid response to competitive and market pressures, and one that ultimately gives your customers the freedom to enjoy a service level that's just right for them. I do hope to see you at the Professional Pricing Society's Fall Virtual Conference in October. Thank you.